ABC Kids Learning Class.
A for apple.
A for apple.
B for ball.
B for ball.
C for cat.
C for cat.
D for dolphin.
D for dolphin.
E for eagle.
E for eagle.
F for fish.
F for fish.
G for goat.
G for goat.
H for horse.
H for horse.
I for ice cream.
I for ice cream.
J for jelly.
J for jelly.
K for kite.
K for kite.
L for lion.
L for lion.
M for mango.
M for mango.
N for nose.
N for nose.
O for orange.
O for orange.
P for pineapple.
P for pineapple.
Q for queen.
Q for queen.
R for rabbit.
R for rabbit.
S for star.
S for star.
T for tiger.
T for tiger.
U for umbrella.
U for umbrella.
V for van.
V for van.
W for whale.
W for whale.
X for Christmas tree.
X for Christmas tree.
Y for yogurt.
Y for yogurt.
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra.
Let's learn together one more time.
Hello kids. Let's have fun with the alphabet today. A is for apple. B is for baby. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for elephant. F is for fish. G is for goat. H is for hat. I is for ice cream. J is for jam. K is for kite. L is for lion. M is for monkey. N is for nest. O is for orange. P is for pig. Q is for queen. R is for rabbit. S is for sun. T is for tiger. U is for umbrella. V is for van. W is for whale. X is for xylophone. Y is for yak. Z is for zebra.
Let's learn together one more time.
A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for eyes. F for frog. G for grapes. H for hat. I for ice cream. J for juice. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for notebook. O for orange. P for penguin. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for star. T for tree. U for umbrella. V for van. W for whale. X for Christmas. Y for yogurt. Z for zebra. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe.